Hello, my name is Christella, and I'm an academic advisor here at the University of Oklahoma. And today I'm going to walk you through our degree audit platform, Stellic, and what it could do for you. So let's get started.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Stellic. Let's walk through how to access Stellic. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type stellic.ou.edu and press Enter. You'll be redirected to the One Account sign-in page. Once the page loads, enter your OU email or NetID and your password, then click Sign In. If this is your first time accessing Stellic, you'll be guided through a few quick setup screens. This page in particular gives you a brief overview of what Stellic can do and how it helps you track your degree progress. Next, you'll be asked to select your primary major. Go ahead and choose the major that best reflects your current program. If you'd like to add additional programs, you'll need to meet with your advisor later. Click Continue to proceed. After you click Continue, you will see Stellic beginning to prepare your personalized dashboard. This may take just a few seconds. Once it finishes loading, you'll be taken directly to your main dashboard.
So now that you're logged in, let's take a look at what Stellic can do for you.
We're excited to introduce you to Stellic. It's your central hub for all things academic planning. With Stellic, you can track your degree progress, plan out your semesters, and stay informed throughout your academic journey. You can use Stellic to prepare for your advising appointments too. Let's walk through it together. First, let's explore how you can visualize and track your academic progress. Once you're logged in, head to Track Progress. From this view, you can check your GPA and your overall academic standing. You'll see what you've completed, what you're enrolled in now, and what's still ahead. Each requirement shows its status, so you're not guessing to figure out what's left. You can also check notes from your last advising conversation, so you're not starting from scratch every time. This will help you show up to your appointment already knowing where things stand. Next, start sketching out a plan. In Plan Your Path, you can drag courses into future semesters and see how everything fits together. You can look through remaining and recommended courses, or search for courses based on filters and drop them directly into your plan. It will warn you of things like missing prerequisites or courses that might not be offered that term. Bring your laptop or tablet to your advising meeting. That way, you and your advisor can look at Stellic together, adjust things in real time, and leave with a plan you both feel good about. And it's not just for advising appointments. You can use Stellic to stay informed. You can explore additional programs in the platform, and you can always refer back to the homepage. Your dashboard gives you quick access to see your progress, your planner, and your scheduler. We encourage you to keep checking in so you can stay informed on what you have planned to see if you're on track.
So, why do we want you to know about Stellic? Because advisors use Stellic to advise you for future classes, but you can use Stellic too. You can go in, plan future classes, simulate upcoming GPAs, check advisor notes, and plan your future. So let's take a closer look on how you get that done.
Now that you're logged in, let's take a look at the Stellic dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your academic progress, including your degree completion status and remaining requirements. From here, you can track completed and in-progress courses, view your academic plan, check your current and upcoming schedules, and locate your academic advisors.
So now that you're logged into your dashboard, let's take a look around. Scroll down and click See Progress. That is going to take you to your degree audit. Now, what exactly are you looking at? Your degree audit. What exactly is that? It's a list of the classes that you need to take here at the University of Oklahoma to graduate. Now take a look around. Your major specific classes, those classes that you specifically need for your major, are going to be located more at the top. In the middle are general education requirements. Those requirements are classes that everybody at the university has to take. And below that, you'll see graduation requirements, GPAs, residency, things like that. Now, if you are an exploratory student or undecided, admittedly, your audit is going to look a little different. And I encourage you to talk to your academic advisor about options for you. Let's take a moment to go over the Stellic degree audit symbols. If you look at the classes, you'll see a box to the left. That is going to tell you whether or not you've completed the requirement. If you see a green box, congratulations, you've successfully completed that requirement towards graduation. If you see an orange box, that means that is a requirement you are currently enrolled in. And if you see a white box with a red outline around it, or a red outline and a number, that is still a requirement you need to complete. Have questions? Email your academic advisor. Next up is the planner. This is where you can go and plan future semesters.
Now it is time to show you how to select and add courses to future terms. From the dashboard, navigate to Plan Your Path. You can find this tab on the left side navigation or on the dashboard where it reads Go to Planner. After you open the planner, you will see the previous courses you have enrolled in for all past semesters. Scroll down until you see your current and future semesters for your desired academic year. Go to the future semester you want to add courses to and click the plus sign and then Add To. 4 options will appear: Add Course, Requirement, Search Courses, and Activity. Each option is akin to its name. If you want to add a specific course to your plan, you can do so by typing in the name or course code. If you want to add a specific requirement, such as a major support course or a humanities requirement, you can add that as well in Requirement. This will not add a specific course to your plan, but it will show that you want to fulfill a specific requirement on your degree audit that semester. You can also use Search Courses to browse for courses available during that semester. If you look on the right, you will see that once again, you can search the course by title or course code. As you may notice, a helpful feature is that the system will tell you if you have cleared the prerequisite to enroll. Finally, you can add your anticipated activities for the future semester. This can be work, club, athletics, volunteer, academic, or co-curricular. If neither of these labels fit, you can choose Other. After choosing the type of activity, type in the name and click Save. And that's it. Now you can add as many courses and activities as you'd like. Once everything is added, you can review your plan with your advisor and be fully prepared for registration when the window opens.
And that's the planner. Go in, plan some classes, get your hands dirty. You're not going to break it. But remember, the planner is for planning future classes. You still have to go to one.ou.edu to enroll. Next up, the Courses tab. Now, the Courses tab is a list of all of your college classes that you've ever taken. That includes concurrent high school enrollment and any transfer credit you came in with. But the coolest thing about the Courses tab is the GPA Simulator.
A helpful feature Stellic holds is the ability to simulate one's GPA. To do so, navigate to Track Progress and go to the Courses tab. Once you're there, click Simulate GPA. As you can see, it will show you your past semesters and your current one. Go to the current semester and choose the grade that you believe you will receive. It will show you your projected term GPA and your projected cumulative GPA.
And right next to Courses is Notes. And the Notes section is simply where your advisors will save what they told you. It's where you can find your advising notes all through your collegiate career. So that's Stellic. Get in there and make a plan. Simulate your GPAs. Look at those advising notes. And when the time comes, go to iadvise.ou.edu and make an appointment for your upcoming semesters. Hey, have a question? Reach out to your academic advisor. That's Stellic, and we look forward to helping you plan your collegiate career here at the University of Oklahoma. Boomer Sooner!